I know that when we're first starting OMAD, we have so many questions. It's such a new approach, such a different thing, and actually not many people are talking about it, I feel like, compared to other diets and stuff. So I want to share with you a bunch of tips that might help you when you're getting started and even to get more out of your OMAD experience. So let's get right to the list, because I have a lot written down, so I don't want to make it too long of a video. So number one is to start extending your fasting period slowly. This is if you're not already doing OMAD. If you're doing some kind of intermittent fasting, increase your fasting window slowly so that you give your body time to adapt. Some people do better just jumping in from one day to the next. Some people do better transitioning slowly. So you know your body better than I do. You know what's best for you. Find the approach that works better for you. But that's if you're brand new to OMAD. If you're not doing OMAD, extend it slowly if that's better for you. Then number two is to drink more water during your fasting window. Some people say that you don't need as much water. In my opinion and experience, and everyone that I talk to, we do benefit from drinking more water through your fasting window. Remember, you're detoxing a lot. Your body's going through a lot. Repair, rebuilding is doing so much that if you think about this, every chemical reaction in the body needs water. So giving your body more water while you're doing all this, in my opinion and experience, it's better. So I'll leave it up to you. But if you do decide to drink more water, what I do is I have these huge bottles that I carry with me all over the place, everywhere I go. If I leave my house all day, I have 3 of these that I take with me, and I drink a bunch before. So have a ton of water with you. Glass, please, glass containers. I added a pinch of sea salt for the minerals, so that you're having more minerals throughout your fasting window. Some people supplement with minerals, but I believe if all the water that you're having is good quality water and you add minerals to it, you'll be fine, in my opinion. But some people like to supplement with other minerals. I do like to take magnesium closer to bedtime, closer to in my meal time, so it helps my sleep. So you can find other minerals that you want to take. Meditate or nap with the extra time that you have. Some people, what they do is that if you're not having lunch, if your chosen meal time is not lunch, now you have that window open. I know most of us like to get more work done because we're in a society that just goes and goes and goes. But if you could take a nap or meditate in that lunchtime window that you used to have, that would be incredible for your body, to support your body as it's going through all this detox and healing and repair and getting healthier and stronger. And if you could take a break, your body will thank you so much, believe me. The next one that I want to share with you is to slow down while you're transitioning to the OMAD diet. So like I said, you'll be detoxing a lot. Most of us, I mean, we all need to detox, right? The water, the food, the air, there's toxins everywhere. I don't want to scare you, but it's the truth. Some people don't believe that, but I do believe that we need to detox. Yes, I read an interesting article once that I know some people exaggerate the need to detox because then they sell you a bunch of stuff, but if you think about it, there's toxins everywhere, so we do need to detox, in my opinion and experience. So if you can support your detoxification systems as you're transitioning, then you will do so much better. So whatever favorite methods of supplements you have for supporting your detox, that could be a huge benefit. That could be a great idea. So I just want to share that with you. Then right before your meal, have the pre-meal drink that I talk about. There's another video that I made. Maybe if I remember, I'll put a link down below. If not, please let me know in the comments. But the pre-meal drink will be such a huge tool for you. Believe me, once you try for like 7 days in a row, and you tell me what happens after that, because you will see benefits. You will see improvements. So the pre-meal drink, watch my other video. It's basically aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, lemon or lime juice, sea salt, and if you want to add collagen peptides. And you can add any other favorite things that you have, but anything that supports your digestion will benefit you so much. the 5x5 breathing method right before your meal. It takes less than 2 minutes. The idea is 5x5, so 5 seconds inhale, 5 seconds exhale. You do that 10 times and you'll go from a sympathetic nervous system state of being, the fight or flight mode, I've got so much to do, I'm crazy, I'm all hyped up, where you can't digest your meal the same way. So by doing the 5x5 breathing method, you get into a parasympathetic nervous system, no, I said it wrong, but a parasympathetic state where you can now rest and digest. Your body is now more able, better prepared to take in the food, do what it needs to do to digest it, absorb it better, assimilate it better, and get more out of your meal. You could be eating the most incredible diet in the world, but if your digestion's not right, if you're always in that sympathetic state of being, your body will not do the same with that food. Your body will not be able to get the same benefits out of the food as if you're in a more relaxed state. So, another tip, put the fork down between each bite. I need that reminder every single day. I tend to eat and go and go and go, but when I remember, I put the fork down in between each bite. I wait until I chew my food a lot. When I swallow the food, I can wait a little bit before I go back to it again, right? Enjoy that meal. Give your body time to digest. Give your body time to do what it needs to do with the food. You might notice that if you eat too fast, your stomach won't feel great after the meal. If you eat a little slower, you might feel a lot better. So just keep that in mind. A weird tip that I have is that when I eat by myself, sometimes I eat fast. So a weird tip is to actually take advantage of distractions. I know it sounds weird. Everyone tells you like, just be present with the food and enjoy the meal. I know that. But if you're eating only once a day, if you're eating a big meal because it's the only meal you have that day, you need to eat slow. So if distractions help you, then please use whatever distractions you want to use. I like to watch like comedy videos or any topic that I'm interested in, like health, spirituality. Like I watch videos, I can watch documentaries, I can watch anything that I'm interested in. But that helps me to actually eat slower. So maybe you need to take advantage of distractions if that helps you. I know it's a weird tip, but if it helps you, then who cares? Stop listening to all the gurus out there and listen to yourself. Listen to your own body, listen to your heart, and see what resonates with you the most. If something that I say doesn't resonate with you, don't do it. Please don't do it. But if something resonates with you, give it a try. So then chew a lot, chew a ton. You need to chew that food so your body doesn't need to do so much work to digest it because you're eating only once a day and a ton of food. Minimize fluids during your meal. Some people do smoothies with their meals to get more nutrients, which I get it and it's amazing, but I can't do that. If I have a lot of fluid and a meal, my digestion is a mess. I can't digest it the same way. The idea that I've heard from people is that with a lot of fluid, basically what you're doing is we have a specific amount of like digestive enzymes and fluid and what's it called? Like stomach acid and everything that we need for digestion. The more fluid that you add, the more you dilute the quantities of the things that we need for digestion. That's a theory, an idea that I heard. But personally, I know that if I have too much water with my meal or too much fluid in terms of a smoothie or something like that, I don't digest the food well. So I want to share that with you in case it helps. Eat slow. Please eat slow. Breathe. Breathe in between bites. And smile. Enjoy that meal. Smile. And by the way, if you smile, your digestion, your absorption goes up by 37% according to a research study that I just made up. But it truly helps. Believe me, eating slowly, breathing, enjoying that meal, smiling. Think about why everyone that talks about longevity, everyone that talks about health in a very holistic way. It tells you that eating with people that you love, eating with people that make you laugh and smile is better for your health. That social aspect that we need is better for us at every level of our health. So if you can, while you're eating, enjoy that meal, smile. If you can have your meal with people that you love, even better. But remember to enjoy that and smile. So that's another tip. All right, then find the meal time that best supports your sleep. You'll need to experiment with this. I'm still playing around with this. I'm still trying to find it because my days change a lot. For some people, they do okay with eating later. Some people need to eat a little earlier because they're eating more quantity at once. So find what works best for you. After your meal, either stretch or go for a walk. Very, very gentle walk. That helps with digestion. That helps your body to do what it needs to do for digestion to improve. So try that. And then an idea is that you don't need to do OMAD every single day for the rest of your life. Use it as a tool. If you want to do it every day, perfect, amazing. You'll get a ton of benefits. If you don't want to do it every day, or if you can't do it every day, that's fine. Find your pace, find your preferred frequency, find your method, find your tricks that work for you. So listen to your body, please. Listen to your body. And last but not least, another research study said that if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, your energy levels will increase by 72% within the next 2 weeks. So there's a lot more information coming. I hope that helps. So if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. If not, I still love you. I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.